Parenting is a journey filled with joys and challenges, and one of the most testing moments arises when children display disrespect or grow distant. In such moments, wisdom often lies not in reacting impulsively, but in responding with patience and understanding. This discussion explores how parents can navigate these complex dynamics, drawing insights from personal stories and philosophical reflections. Understanding disrespect and estrangement. When children exhibit disrespectful behavior or begin to distance themselves emotionally, it can deeply unsettle parents. The instinctual response might be anger or confrontation, but as experienced parents know, restraint and thoughtful responses are often more effective in nurturing relationships. The wisdom of silence. In the face of disrespect, 6 simple words can be remarkably powerful. Don't get angry, don't argue. This advice underscores the importance of maintaining composure and avoiding escalation. When children challenge authority or show defiance, resisting the urge to react emotionally allows space for understanding their perspective and addressing underlying issues calmly. Secrecy and family harmony. Arthur Schopenhauer's insight on personal affairs as secrets reinforces the idea that maintaining family privacy is crucial. Every household encounters challenges, but disclosing these troubles indiscriminately can invite gossip and exacerbate conflicts. A historical anecdote illustrates this. A farmer's public complaints about his unruly sons led to widespread stigma, affecting their marriage prospects despite their care for their mother during illness. The lesson here is clear. Safeguarding family matters preserves harmony and prevents external interference. Respecting children's dignity. Public criticism of children, even when they misbehave, can damage their self-image and strain relationships. Instead, parents are encouraged to resolve conflicts within the family, nurturing an environment where children feel valued and supported. Tact and discretion in handling disputes ensure that parental guidance is constructive rather than demeaning, fostering mutual respect and bolstering children's self-confidence. Navigating generational differences. Generational gaps are natural, stemming from distinct lifestyles and responsibilities. Younger generations may dismiss parental advice due to differing experiences, which can lead to misunderstandings. As parents age, patience and empathy become invaluable in bridging these gaps. Understanding that differing viewpoints are not necessarily conflicts of right or wrong helps in fostering open communication and mutual acceptance. Cultivating emotional stability. Franklin's perspective on arguments highlights their futility, especially within family dynamics where emotions can cloud judgment. When conflicts arise, whether with children or among family members, maintaining emotional stability is paramount. An anecdote about a father and daughter's strained interactions due to miscommunication underscores the importance of listening and patience. By choosing restraint over confrontation, parents can foster an atmosphere conducive to resolution and understanding. The impact of parental behavior. Parents' reactions to disrespectful behavior significantly influence its resolution. Acknowledging one's mistakes and leading by example teaches children humility and accountability. Conversely, reacting with authority can provoke defiance. By respecting children's autonomy and nurturing dialogue, parents can cultivate mutual respect and encourage children to reflect on their actions positively. Patience and tolerance. Monroe's reflection on differing perspectives emphasizes the uniqueness of individual thoughts and desires. Parents' tolerance of children's choices, even when they diverge from expectations, fosters mutual respect. Overcoming the impulse to control allows for meaningful connections based on mutual understanding and support. The role of emotional regulation. Napoleon's insight into emotional control underscores its significance in familial relationships. Emotional stability not only reduces conflict, but also enables effective problem-solving. The transformation of a privileged young man into a compassionate individual through rural experiences highlights how parental warmth and understanding can profoundly impact children's development. Parental responsibility and long-term perspective. The evolving parent-child relationship is a journey of mutual growth and adaptation. As children mature and pursue independence, parents must balance guidance with respect for their autonomy. Choosing dialogue over confrontation and focusing on shared experiences fosters enduring bonds that withstand generational differences. Creating a sanctuary of harmony. Ultimately, home should be a sanctuary where mutual respect and understanding thrive. Protecting family secrets and minimizing external judgment preserve this sanctuary. By focusing on emotional well-being and mutual support, families can navigate challenges with resilience and unity. Conclusion. In conclusion, parenting through disrespect and estrangement requires wisdom, patience, and emotional resilience. By refraining from anger and argumentation, parents can foster understanding and nurture healthy relationships with their children. Respecting privacy, embracing generational differences, and cultivating emotional stability are foundational in maintaining family harmony. As parents adapt to changing dynamics and prioritize mutual respect, they create a home where love and acceptance prevail. May every parent find strength in wisdom and understanding to guide their children with compassion and empathy, ensuring enduring familial bonds and a sanctuary of peace.